Hey guys, this is Pikmin Toad 121. Today we're going to be smashing these flip phones. Like this one that turned on. As you can see, it works. Yeah, this one works, but yeah, the battery is sort of dead. And this one I don't have the charger for, so I can't turn it on. Oh, I thought that was this one for a second. Yeah. So this one's untested, but I'm still gonna smash it because I never use it. See, look, powering down because of the battery. And this one, I have to preserve the battery because I don't have the charger for it. So yeah, let's get right into some tests. Okay, first it's a 3-foot drop of this phone. 3, 2, 1. So, it's practically nothing. Battery didn't come out, which is nice. Realistic. Alright, now let's move on to the 3-foot drop test of another phone. Now, it's a 3-foot drop of this LG phone. All these are closed because, well, realism. 3, 2, 1. On that one, the battery flew out, but we could just pop it back in, hopefully. Please say you can. Yep. And, yeah, that's about it. So, whatever. There we go. Next, it's another one. This one's covered in, I don't know what that is, grime, let's just say. 3-foot drop, 3, 2, 1. On that one, the battery case fell off, but that's about it. So, we can just pop it back in. And it's fine. So I've ranked this, this one gets first, because nothing happened. This one gets second, because only the battery case fell off. And this one gets third, because everything fell off. So, yep, this gets 3, this gets 2, this gets 1. Gotta remember that. Next is the 6-foot drop test, but this time, we're doing it open. 3, 2, 1. To my surprise, nothing happened. It's fine. Alright, moving on. And actually, wait, no, there's some scuffs. But that's about it. Next is the other LG phone that got last place last time. Let's see if I could do better this time. 3, 2, 1. To my surprise, it actually did not the same as the other LG. So, it's a tie between these two. So, yeah. Next is this Motorola phone who got second last time. 3, 2, 1. Presenting Ludicrous Drop Test number 2. I mean 1. Oh yeah, it's the second time I'm recording this because, well, yeah. So, oh yeah, all phones got tied last round for durability. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, boy. So, the back cover came off on our best performer, but doesn't seem that it was that bad. So, next gen 2, yeah, alright. Alright, I guess we'll do this now since there's no clouds covering the sun. 3, 2, 1. I guess this ties with our last contender. Because only the back fell off, strange enough. Wish I could have done a video test. Yeah, I wish I should have done that. Whatever. Hopefully I can get the most disgusting phone on the first take this time. So I don't have to, well, touch it again. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh! So yeah, it's a tie again between all three of them. Because only the back cover fell off. And that's it. I guess we'll do the non-working Motorola phone first for the annihilation process. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. It already broken too. Oh, I guess we'll just do the smartphone version of it. After 3 hits, oh my god. Oh my god. This is so fun. And the screen is completely shattered. Obviously, you can see that. Flip it back over and oh my god, you see that's all dented in like that. Destroy. All right, let's get to work on the camera. It's not finished. Okay, I think we're done. Actually, wait. Yeah, we're done. With this part at least. Now, the actual phone. Wow, I don't want to kill myself with the battery. So, I don't know why I did that. There's the trackpad. Or not the trackpad. I don't want to die. You need to bag each battery and put it in the correct bin? Yeah, no one cares. Oh geez, I missed. No, you can't put any batteries in here. That's nice to say, or to hear, or whatever. I don't really care. Now let's do the biggest blow. And as you can see, it's dead. I think that's part of the processor that just fell out of. So, move the most disgusting one aside. And the biggest. For this one. No one cares. Actually, wait, I should take the battery out before I kill myself. Pretty sure some butthurt people online want me to do that. Okay, the battery case can't go back in. So, well, that was powerful. Damn, I missed. Then the keyboard. Kill it. much funner to do it with a 4-pound sledgehammer rather than a 1-pound sledgehammer. I'm gonna have a lot of cleanup to do, especially because it's a windy day today. I don't know what this is. What's this? Oh, it's just plating the cover. The green stuff. Ooh, yeah. That's a lot of damage. Old beams. Now let's move this aside for the screen. You know what that means, doesn't it? Oh my god. Don't you? Whatever. Oh my god. I can't talk. I missed. Or did I? Did I miss? I'm not really sure I did. Ugh. Oh, it's a bit too close for that. This thing ain't turning on anytime soon. Well, it's done. Now, my favorite phone of the bunch. Now it's not my favorite phone of the bunch because all the other phones survived that without case falling off. But this is a lot funner than it should be. Kids, don't try this at home, to be completely honest. I don't want you stealing my fire. Now, we can actually get to the good stuff. The screen! The screen! I don't know what that did. Turns out it did nothing. Alright, you make me want to scream! Oh my god, it took a big chunk. That's a lot of damage. This is so... people looking at me, I guess you could say. Well, that's it. Wait, where's the least... this is the least destroyed one. I need a broom. Like, really badly.